My name is Jay and I welcome you all to Think Next Excel classes. I will explain everything about the Excel and advanced Excel. So you need to just have the patience and see the video, watch the video properly and try to practice as much as possible if you want to learn your enhanced skills in the Microsoft Excel. So here we go right now. Okay. So at the top of the Excel file, you can see the title bar over there, which shows you the name of the file, means the workbook. In Excel, we know the Excel file as workbook, and the page in the file is known as the worksheet. So Excel is a spreadsheet program. A spreadsheet here is a like a page of a notebook where we can do the different type of work. On the page, means on the worksheet, we have the vertical lines and the horizontal lines which intersect to each other to make a particular cell. Here you can see the cell which has the column name as B and the row number is 4, which is known as B4. Here it is C4. So this is called the cell reference or the address of the cell. Okay, further. On the right hand side top corner, I have the close sign which is used to close the file, and if you do like this way, so it will ask you to save the file. So if you want to save it, so click on the save button. If you don't want to save it, don't save button, and if you want to cancel it, so click on the cancel button, resize button and the minimize button. Here on the left hand side upper corner, you can see the autosave facility. If you have been working with the cloud storage, so this facility can be on. If you have been using your storage in the laptop or the computer, so you can make it off. Here is this is called the quick access toolbar, where you can find out the different type of commands like which you are trying to access easily and quickly. So this is the save button to save the file. This is undo, this is redo. If the previous command you want to do it again, so click on the redo command. If you want to undo or undo the previous action, so you can do it undo command with the help of. Next is file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer, help, data streamer, power pivot. So these all are known as the different type of tabs. As per your requirement, you will be able to find the different type of tools and commands in the particular tab. Under the tab, you can see this rectangular area is which is known as the ribbon, where you can see the different type of tools over there under the category of different type of groups. By default, it will be activated the home tab. If I need to activate the insert tab, I need to click on there. So you can see the green line over there. So this is the identification of the activation of that particular type of tab. So home. So this is home. We have the different type of groups in the ribbon. The clipboard, which used for the memory purpose. Font, if all the type of fonts related tasks you need to do from here. Alignment related to the textual information, you can do the alignment task from here. Number, if you maintain the different type of formatting for your, you can help take the help from here. Styles, for making the your worksheet beautiful, wonderful and the colorful, and with the help of the different type of formatting you want to apply over there. So this is styles group from where you can take the help. Cells, so this is the particular group from where you can insert and delete and format the cells, and these are the some basic editing facility from where you can also apply the different type of function, which I will tell you in later classes. Here is the add-ins. If you want to make the some automated type of task, and you can try to add them with the help of add-ins. Next, we have the name column, means this is showing here which activated cell is working over there, means in which active cell you are right now. A4. Suppose you are you are right now on D3. This is called the formula bar, means function bar. Function formula will discuss in detail later. This is here A, B, C, D. So these are the vertical lines which are known as the column, and the A, B, C, D are the header of the columns, means the name of the columns. These column names go up to the XFD. You can see the last column name is XFD. So it means you have the thousands of the columns over there. So if I try to find out the number of column over there, so I am writing the function here, column, and with keep the holding control key, and with the help of the directional key you can go to the last of the worksheet. So I am clicking the right hand side, so I am here in the last. So XFD up to, we have the 16,384 columns, and in the last down I have the 10,48,576 number of rows in one sheet. So numbers here you can see in the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you don't need to find out them. But if you are trying to find out the number of rows here, you just need to type the equal sign and type the row function and hold on your control and down key. So you will be able to insert the function over there. So this is function where I have applied in the A2 set. So now you can see the total number of available rows in the one sheet on one worksheet. As per your requirement, you can add or insert the number of sheet, unlimited number of sheet you can add in your one project, but you have the space, you have the memory in your computer. Click simply on the plus sign, you will be able to get it, the new one. In the last you have the horizontal, or means horizontal scrolling, and this is called here the vertical scrolling on the right hand side. On the downside, on the corner we have the minimize, this is the viewing, this is the plus sign, this is the viewing. So you can make the view greater and lesser as well as per your requirement from the bar. If you want to change the sheet name, so you need to click on the right button of the mouse or the keypad and just type. Suppose I want to insert the different details of the students. So file name is different. This is the worksheet name. Sheet 1, suppose I want to add the name as class 12. Okay. If you enter something new or you simply want to delete it, so click on the delete key. If you want to edit it, to click on the F2 key. If you want to edit it with the help of the double clicking on the active cell. So this is how we can do the alteration of the data, deleting the data, updation of the data in the particular cell. So now I am trying to make a simple list of the student of class 12. Name. As per your requirement, you can make the number of columns as per your requirements, like name, subject, or stream. Here I am discussing about the stream subject only. Date of admission, yeah, date of year of admission. Suppose I want to know how many years of all this admission or this student is in the school. Year of admission, the serial number, the father name, suppose mother name, suppose mobile number, father, mobile number, mother, emergency file, emergency mobile, like this. So you can take the address, you can take the different type of columns for different uh, subject, you can take the individual column as well. Okay, so this is how we can create the data we can create the table to insert the different type of information data related to the particular entity over there. So name, here is suppose J. Suppose this is Jay Vardhan Singh Panchal. So if you want to change the font face, you just need to go to the font group under the home tab. Click here and you will be able to find the different name of the font. If you want to make it bold, if you want to make it italic, if you want to make it underline. So all the facilities you will be able to access from there on. If you want to make it increased size of the font, decreased size of the font, the color fill in the background of the cell. This is the text color, means foreground color. So this is how we can use the facilities, different facilities from the font group. So like this way, I will tell you the different type of facilities from the alignment group, number group, styles group, cells group, editing group, as and when they will be required. For now, I am going next. In a particular, you can understand the 16,384 number of columns we have, 10 lakh 48,576 number of rows in a sheet is available. So you can imagine how many number of cells are there. So you can understand easily there are the huge number of cells over there and you can use them for your data. So how you will be able to, and your software will be able to identify that particular cell. So this is all will be handled with the help of automatically handled cell reference concept by Excel, that is known as the relative cell reference. Relative concept of the cell reference. And the second one is the absolute cell reference. And the third one is the mixed cell reference. So I am trying to the best of my level how they will work. Suppose name of the student. This is weight of the student or the marks in different subjects. Suppose here is name, subject. I have taken the one name J, subject is Hindi, English, maths. For making this process simple, I am taking only three subjects. Here I have taken this, Control C, Control V, Control V again, Control V again. Okay. Now the rest of the data I am trying to delete from here to make you understand better. Okay. Name Jay. This is Jack. This is Vansh. This is Himanshi. Okay. Now the subject Hindi for Jay. Suppose out of 30 marks he has got 25. Out of 30 in English he has got 23, and manually I am taking this one. Like this way I have taken the different type of numbers here. Suppose 21, 23, 25, 19, 23, 18, 17 and 29. Now I want to make the grand total here. Grand total means the total. I want to find out the result here in this particular cell. So with the help of the equal sign, automatically Excel understands you are trying to write a formula or the particular function. So I'm trying to write here the formula. So 25, this data is in the cell F4. F4. Now the plus sign, this is F5. Now the F6. Press the enter. So this is how you are trying to find out the sum here. So you got the answer as 76. So now at the third, so you get the answer is 73. So this is called the relative concept of the address handling by the Excel. So now you can see F7. What? F7. F7 is where? This is, I think. Yes. This is F8. This is F9. So automatically handled by the help of relative cell address concept. So you don't need to tell that which cell you are trying to add. If I tried and make it edit as the concept of absolute reference. In absolute one, we need to make the particular address as absolute with the help of the uh, dollar sign. You need to take the dollar sign in front of that particular header, cell header or the row header. Now, so this is here right now, the absolute reference. I am trying to copy it here and from here and pasted it here. So you will be able to see the directly the answer is 73 because you have taken the fixed reference of the cell. But now I am again copying the particular formula that was in relativity function, relative cell address concept. I am pasting here. So it is again taking the particular three arguments or three means values from here. So this is how the Excel works by default on the cell relativity and the absolute cell reference as per your requirement, as per the user. I hope you understood the entire concept. If you are not able to understand it in one go, so we'll continue this discussion in the next some type of classes. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and share it. Please like. Thanks.